What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing on a brand new Galaxy A80 in black. Alright, so this is the newest Samsung phone in the A series. I definitely think it's going to be the best one to date. It's got a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display on it that is no notch, so I mean it's going to be great for playing games, watching videos. It's also got a 48 megapixel back camera on it. There is no optical zoom on this phone, but still, it's going to take some really nice pictures. It also does 4K video recording as well, and it's got a price point right now for between $550 and $650. Really depends on where you get it. All right, so I'm going to unveil it real quick. I'll have a link down there if you want to check out our full review on our website, and let's get into it. I also want to say I do like the box design on this phone too. So I got to give it to Samsung for props for the nice box on here. Okay, the one thing I also want to mention about this is that the phone came with a screen protector on it, so I do appreciate that. That's a nice little feature, so you don't have to go out and buy one. And then of course, the phone's actually on right now, so you can kind of get to see it a little bit here, so check that out. All right, this is just a beautiful looking display. I'm not gonna lie, but you can kind of see that there's really no notch. Now the front and back on this phone is gonna be glass. It's also Gorilla Glass on the front. I'm a huge fan of Gorilla Glass. It just tends to not really pick up fingerprint smudges much, and it doesn't really scratch. All right, so let's take a look at the back of the phone. Okay, so kind of what you could expect as far as like a Samsung design, staying true to the glass. But you can see up here it's got the triple lens back camera. No optical zoom on here, like I said. 4K video recording, and of course you got that juicy 48 megapixel back camera, which is crazy. The back does kind of pick up fingerprint smudges a little bit, but with that said, really not that big of a deal. And then of course the battery on here is 3700 mAh, non-removable, so the battery life, it's gonna be okay. I'm surprised the battery's not bigger, honestly, for the size of the phone, but that's gonna be it, guys, as far as the quick unboxing for this. Really excited to get some videos going with it because honestly, it is a beautiful looking phone. Like, there's no doubt about that. Could be a better pick too than picking up a Galaxy S10. We'll find out as I do some comparison videos with it. But anyways, you guys, that's going to be it. If you have any questions about this phone too, you can message me below in the comments. Hit the like and share on this. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, you better hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.